In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add Revolut to Google Wallet step by step. First, you want to click on the Google Wallet app to open the application, and then you want to click on Add to Wallet on the bottom right. Step 2, you want to click on Payment Card, and you want to fill out your details for your Revolut card. Once you have filled out your details, you want to wait for Revolut to confirm your card's eligibility, which could take a bit of time. Once they have finished checking your card's eligibility, you want to read the issuer's terms, and then you want to click on Accept. After you click on Accept, you want to wait for your bank to process your card details. Step 5, you want to click on Open Bank App to verify that it is you that's issuing the card to Google Wallet. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching.